long-term goal is to be the best welder I can be and open up my own welding establishment one day.
The most interesting thing I learned was that the tuition assistance. I didn't know that somebody would be willing to pay for me to come here, give me gas money, give me child care assistance to help me learn.
And how has that benefited you?
It's made me be able to come to school. Otherwise, there was no way I would have been able to go to college any other way if I wouldn't have had the help from these people.
So when y'all tell me what this is called?
Plasma cutting.
And what's this good for?
Cutting. Metal.
Cutting steel, yeah.
Alright. So what's your name?
My name is Saul Perez Aviles.
Lindsay Wilberg.
Ryan Velasquez.
My name's Justin.
My name is Colin Dale.
I'm Mikey Jameson.
My name is Lemuel Gale.
Hey, I'm Jack Mercer.
So the program isn't just all about welding, it also focuses on working as a team.
OSHA 10, safety rules, AED, the first aid, the forklift, and crane and rigging, lots of other stuff.
Our Lean Six Sigma, we learn working in a simulated environment, we learn how to do personal finance, we learn how to be punctual, how not to only get a job, but to keep a job.
I learned about this program through my construction teacher, Pete McGill, the welding instructor.
I was in Project Search. Talked to me about this program, and I was very interested.
I'm currently dressed up today because we had interviews with possible future employers.
The most interesting thing I learned was to motivate others and become the best welder that I can be.
Welding is not only a starting job. I start with a good pay and I move on. The better I do, the more I'll get paid and the longer I can go on, and it turns into a full career instead of just a temporary job.